Hello everyone, it's Dragon Animations here, and today I finally reached 50 subscribers, or 55. I've messaged my friend because I don't have her brother, so she's gonna have to message her brother. He also has a YouTube channel, Sunny something, I can't remember because I know their first names, not really their last names. They have different last names. But oh my god, thank all of you for subscribing. Dexter, on the other hand, isn't as excited as me. Our room is a bit of a mess right now, and if you it's all piled on John's side, don't worry, other than my bed. Okay, I'm just gonna take you outside. The boys. That's muffin right there. Cheesecake's in there. Can you tell which one I named? If you don't know, it's muffin. But the main reason I wanted to record is to see the birdies. They were sleeping together last night, and it was so cute. My dog was just sleeping, literally. Go on, Dex. Go on, Dex. Dexy. Chip, move. Come on, Dex. Go for a pee. Okay. These two little gremlins. Okay. Hi. They're saying hello. Well, Bo is. Rain isn't. These two little gremlins finally came on the same cage. They do fight a little bit. Can you tell which one's which? Can you tell which? Whoa, sorry, it's shaky. Can you tell which one's which? Can you? It's a little hard to tell. Okay, I'll give you 5 more seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one is Rain, and this little cheeky bugger is Bo. Rain and Bo. Yes, hello. My two little gremlins. Bo is almost a year old, and I'm really excited. So, Rain, that one there, is 3 months old. Bo, right here, he's turning a year old on my birthday. Is that right, guys? Follow the finger. Rain loves dancing to music. Apparently, I found out today because my mom was playing music out here, and she was clearing the dog poop. She was playing music, and Rain was dancing to it. Oh, and another thing, Rain has baby feathers. Still has baby feathers, while Bo has his big boy feathers. And Rain has red feathers on her head, surprisingly. Yeah. My little lady. Follow the finger, follow the finger, follow the finger. And some of you seem to like Maru and Crystal. Thank you for liking it. I was never too sure if you like Max's drawing, but the people that like it, thank you. My friends, every time I draw a dragon in front of them, they're like, oh my god! Especially my friend Thor, because he never saw me draw. I drew Toothless, and then he was like, oh my god, you did it like perfectly. And then he drew like a llama when he tried to draw Toothless at archery. So, but yeah, this is my big boy, Bo, my pretty girl, Rain. I'm scared. What if they lay eggs? Because if they lay eggs, we don't have an incubator. I don't think we have the money to buy an incubator. And with that boy, I don't think he'll like Rain having a really comfortable spot. Rain is the one dancing right now. Bo is right there, like that one right there. Rain's dancing. If I open the cage, Rain would be like, oh yes, take me, so. Hey, Rain. Rain, come here. Come here. Not you, Bo. Not you, Bo. Rain. I'm sorry, Bo bites way too hard. I mean, I still love him. He's my little boy, but he bites way too hard. And he does not care where he poops, while Rain actually poops on towels. Not on me. I do have a towel that Rain will go on. It's a little filthy with poop because it's their towel. Okay, Rain, come here. Yeah, you missed. Rain. Move, Bo. Bo. Back. Bo, back. Come here, Bo. Bo, come here. Oh. Good job, Rain. Rain squeezed her way out. That was actually kind of funny. This is my pretty girl. I can trust her. Although I will, if she jumps, I have to swaddle her. Stay down. I have to swaddle her sometimes. Like right now. Because she will try to climb up and I'm not having her on my shoulder. So I like put her in a little swaddle. Sometimes she isn't too happy about it, but last time I didn't do this, my dog almost got to her. Yeah. She's mad. But this is my little girl, Rain. Okay. There. She's a rainbow lorikeet. My friend's brother, who is 14, I'm pretty sure, something like that, Conan. I don't know his age, but he said that they're not native to Australia, which is completely wrong. They are native to more than half of Australia. Get down. Would you get down? I'm sorry, everyone. This is why I don't like taking Rain out on camera. Ah! Will you get down? Let go. I'm serious. Why are you so mad? Let go. I'm putting her back, Bo, okay? How about that? Ryan, come here. And yes, I'm trying to get Rain is the difficult part. Might want to move, Bo. Rain incoming. Rain! You get down, mister. I don't trust you. know he bites like seriously hard. He's drawn blood from my finger before. Like it was a really, really deep cut. Like I almost got a scar. Luckily I didn't. Oh, did I? Oh wow, I actually did. It's like right there. I don't know if you can see it on camera because it's not getting in focus because it's hard to get in focus. But like right there, that's the scar. So that's a thing. Mister. Oh, if I take you out, will you be good? Back, right. This is for you. I just had you out. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, little man. Come on, little man. No, Rain. Boy. Yeah, that wasn't called for. No, Rain. Come on, boy. Oh, don't you dare. I got the little mister here. Very wiggly today. He loves the camera.